going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm going to be winterizing the strawberry patch today, so I'm going to bring you along and show you what I'm going to do. So here it is. We have 4 mother plants in here. There's one here, one there, one there, and one there. They've produced a bunch of runners that have even gone down to the ground, so we're going to clean that up. There's a lot of the Bermuda grass, so we want to get rid of as much of this as we can, and then any leaves that are browning and turned, we're going to get rid of those. Wow, check this runner out. Yeah, what I was trying to do is try to get as much of those lower roots out as possible. Something. Yeah, Bermuda grass sucks. Yeah, got the live. With this bin, you can see there's a bunch of different runners. Strawberries are perennials, so they'll come back each year, and what they do is the mother plant sends out these runners. These runners then root. They still tap into that mother plant, but then when you snip it like we just did, this will eventually turn into a new mother plant. So, and then what's cool is over here the plant has actually come down onto the ground and has rooted itself. So from the bed there's about 3 runners that actually rooted themselves into the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these up. We have a new area that we're going to plant these in later, but for now I want to get these out of the ground. I'm trying to go far away from the roots. Was that other little shovel over there? Here we go. It's coming now. And of course, Bermuda grass. But see these roots? So now this will go ahead and have a good head start to root and become a new mother plant. Okay, so we removed the runners that were in the ground on the outside of the bed. Now we have to start cleaning up the inside. Any of these leaves that have died back and are no longer green can be cut out. You can either use a pair of snips or pruners. You can go ahead and you can carefully just pull them out, but I like using the pruners. The one reason why I like using the pruners is you get a good clean cut. When you go ahead and you pull, you can yank plant material, which can damage and allow disease in. The reason why we're taking these off now is they're no longer producing any photosynthesis or anything. Only green leaves do that. So these are a dead leaf. So we want to clean that up. Pruning out these dead leaves is going to help with airflow, which can help to eliminate disease and fungal issues. To allow the nutrients and the water to penetrate better and then we don't have that dead material in the way. So we got the 4 mother plants in the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's did a bunch of offshoots off to the side, which I've just broke those connections. I'm going to dig this plant up. There's another section that I'm going to be planting this in. Come on, baby. And then I have some soil that I'm going to replace. So I'm just going to put it in this pot for now. So, for planting out a runner, or a strawberry plant in general, you want to make sure that the roots are all in the soil, the crown stays above the soil line. So, with this being fresher soil, it's nice. I'm going to go deep first, and then pull it up. So that crown is, the crown is not in the dirt. Okay, there's another good one. So go deep, and then I pull it up so the crown is not below the soil surface. Okay. So I was just going through making sure any of the strawberry plants that the crowns weren't buried. There was a few that were, and I could see that it was starting to get very moist. I went through, I made sure that they weren't buried, the strawberry crowns, anymore. This was actually covered with about 1 inch of dirt. So I pulled it up, so now the crown is above the soil line. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and mulch this area with some leaves. It's going to break down over the springtime and into the summer and add more nutrients right back into the soil. I'm just kind of throwing them on right now, but then I want to tuck them underneath the plants as best as possible. We do have some rain coming tomorrow, so that's going to help to kind of, you know, get everything closer to the soil. And then basically, like I said before, the soil life and biology is going to help to break these down to help give a lot of nutrients to this bed. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the process of winterizing your strawberry patch. Everybody have a great day. There's a runner here, runner here. They try this again, and then it's going to go ahead and